Hello awesome people, what's going on? I hope everything's going good, and after so many days I have brought another video in which I'm gonna show you that how to refresh or reinstall Windows 10 from your existing Windows 10 operating system without losing any of your personal files. Yes friends, I'm telling truly that you are not going to lose any of your personal files such as images or videos that you may have taken from your camera and you have stored in your device, or other different kinds of movies and PDF books, other different kinds of documents that you have downloaded. Those personal files are not going to be deleted with this method, and still they will be intact even after reinstalling Windows 10 with this process. So guys, please follow me till the end of the video, and before beginning the guide, please subscribe my channel to get notified about my upcoming videos right when I upload them. So friends, let's begin the guide without any delay. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to go to the start button, and let's click on start button. Right after clicking, here we can get the setting icon, and you have to click on the settings. Here at the last you can get the option which is update and security. In this tab you have to click. After clicking, we'll be getting the new page. In this window, what is here is different options are here on the left panel. So among these you have to click on recovery. After clicking, at the top you can see reset this PC. So you have to click on get started. After clicking on get started, we have a new window with two different options. So from these two options, what we are going to do, let me tell you, this is the main step which you have to follow for resetting or reinstalling Windows 10 in your computer without losing any of the file. So here the first option is keep my file. So we have to choose this option, and as soon as we click on this keep my file, then friends, the process of refreshing or reinstalling Windows 10 will begin in your device, and after a few minutes you can get a new and fresh Windows 10 where you can see all of your downloaded files and personal files. But yes, let me tell you people, here you may not get the user apps that you had installed earlier. All the Windows system apps and all the operating system apps which it had come at first, those will be intact, those will be preserved, but the user applications that you had installed later on, they will not be here. All the personal files will be saved where it was previously before the reinstall process. So people, I hope you liked the video. If you liked my video, then please hit on the like button. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel so that all the notifications you can get and all the new videos of my channel you will be getting as soon as I upload them in YouTube. So all people, thank you for watching my video, and please stay safe, stay happy and stay healthy, and I'll be catching you all people in my next video. Bye bye.